Hello friends. Now today in this video lecture we are going to discuss the APF, that is atomic packing factor, and coordination number of FCC crystal structure, that is face centered cubic structure. Now you just see the diagram. From the diagram you will come to know, see, here FCC means, see, in a cube there are total 8 corner atoms, and on each face cube is having 6 faces. So on each face at the center there is one atom. Okay, and see here, I told you during the solidification the atoms arrange themselves in layers. So in this layer there are 3 atoms, 1 2 3, again 3 atoms. In this layer there are total 7 atoms, and in the last layer again there are 3 atoms. Now see, to find the coordination number, this central atom touches surrounding 6 atoms in the same plane, 3 atoms in the plane above and 3 atoms in the plane below. Means what is the total coordination number? 6 plus 3 plus 3 means 12. Coordination number is 12. Now we have to calculate the APF. Now consider this diagram. We assume that all the 3 atoms, they touch each other. So PR, PQ. So A is the lattice parameter, and we assumed R is the radius of the atom, and each atom is supposed to be a sphere. So what is the total distance PR? R plus 2R plus R, that is nothing but 4R. Therefore PR is equal to 4R. Okay, now what is the standard formula of APF? APF is equal to volume of each atom into number of atoms per unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. Okay, so volume of each atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now to find the total number of atoms per unit cell, so total, I told you there are 8 corner atoms. So it is assumed that 1/8 portion of each corner atom lies inside the unit cell. So total there are 8 corner atoms, therefore 8 into 1 by 8 plus there are 6 center atoms. On each face of the cube there are 6 atoms. So it is assumed that 1/2 portion of each face atom lies inside the unit cell. So 6 into 1/2, and therefore number of atoms per unit cell, that is equal to 4. Now by substituting that values, APF is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 divided by a cube. Now as usual we have to express this A in terms of R. So from the figure, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QP square. Therefore A is equal to 4R divided by root 2. Now substituting the value of this A, that is equal to 4R divided by root 2, here we get 0.74. That is APF is 74%. Same. Now in case of the hexagonal close pack structure, okay, you see this is the diagram. So there are 6 corner atoms on the top face, 1 center atom on the top face, again 6 corner bottom face, 1 center atom, and in the plane, in the central plane, there are totally 3 atoms. Okay, so during the solidification atoms arrange themselves in the layers as shown in the figure. So what is the coordination number? You see here, this atom touches the 6 surrounding atoms in the same plane, 3 atoms below and 3 atoms above. Means what is the total coordination number? 6 plus 3 plus 3 means that is equal to 12. Okay, now we have to calculate the APF. APF is equal to volume of each atom into number of atoms per unit cell into volume of the unit cell. Now see, C is the height of the hexagon, and if the cross section is taken, so this is the cross section of the hexagonal face. So this hexagonal face, okay, it is having 6 isosceles triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So if we consider the details, okay, so RQ is the perpendicular drawn from the apex on the bottom of the triangle. So we have to calculate the area of each triangle and we have to multiply that into 6 because this cross section consists of 6 isosceles. So here we have to calculate the area of one triangle into multiply by 6. Now you see here the two atoms touches each other, and therefore that is the lattice parameter is A, and A is equal to R plus R means 2R. Okay, so we have to calculate the coordination number. So there are total 12 corner atoms, 6 on the top, 6 at the bottom, and 1/6 portion of each corner atom lies inside the unit cell. Therefore 12 into 1 by 6, plus there are two central atoms. Okay, one on the top face, one on the bottom face. So it is assumed that 1/2 portion of each central atom lies inside the unit cell. Therefore 1/2 into 2, plus in the central plane there are 3 atoms. So all that 3 atoms lie in the unit cell. Therefore what is the coordination number? 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So in the next lecture we'll discuss the details about that. So how we can calculate APF? 4 by 3 pi r cube into 6 divided by volume of unit cell. So here we have to calculate the volume of the unit cell. Okay, so I told you we have to calculate the area of each triangle. So 1/2 into base into height into 6, as there are 6 isosceles. So 1/2 A into H into 6 is equal to 3AH. So from the diagram we can calculate PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So here H is equal to A root divided by 2. By substituting that value, we get volume of unit cell, that is equal to C, and C by A is equal to 1.633. Therefore C is equal to 1.633 into A. Okay, now by substituting that in the standard formula of the APF, we get that is equal to 0.74, and therefore APF for hexagonal closed packed structure is 74%. Thank you friends.